For decades, Antarctica has been a frozen mystery remote, silent and untouched by time. But recent discoveries beneath the ice have revealed secrets that stunned scientists around the globe. You might think Antarctica is just endless snow and ice. But beneath that surface lies a hidden world one that challenges what we thought we knew about our planet. Let's start with something strange. A vast canyon system discovered in 2016, buried beneath the ice. This Grand Canyon-sized trench runs for hundreds of kilometers, and no one knew it was there. Even more shocking is Lake Vostok, a massive freshwater lake buried 2.5 miles beneath the ice. It's been sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years, completely untouched by sunlight. When Russian scientists drilled into Lake Vostok, they found signs of microbial life. Life that had adapted to complete darkness, extreme pressure, and sub-zero temperatures. This raised a massive question. Could similar life exist on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus? Suddenly, Antarctica became a testing ground for alien biology. But that's not all. In 2020, scientists detected a stream of particles coming up from Antarctica, something that shouldn't be possible. These high-energy particles, called neutrinos, are known to pass through matter. But some of them seem to be defying the laws of physics, coming from below instead of above. NASA scientists were baffled. Some speculated it could point to a parallel universe where time runs backward. That theory sounds wild, but it made headlines worldwide. Because when it comes to Antarctica, the truth often sounds stranger than fiction. Another mystery lies in the Wilkes Land crater, discovered via satellite gravity scans. Under the ice, scientists found a 300-mile-wide mass anomaly, believed to be the remnants of a massive asteroid impact. It may be even larger than the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. If that's true, it could have triggered a mass extinction event we don't even know about yet. Then there's the bizarre warming found deep beneath Antarctica's ice sheet. Scientists discovered geothermal heat spots melting ice from below, despite freezing temperatures above. One such place is Mount Erebus, Antarctica's only active volcano. Beneath it is a lava lake that's been bubbling for decades, emitting strange gases and magnetic signals. Not far from there is the mysterious Blood Falls, a stream of red water flowing from the Taylor Glacier. Its blood-like color comes from iron-rich brine, and the bacteria living in it have no access to oxygen or light. This kind of extremophile life challenges our assumptions about where life can survive. It's helping scientists understand how life might exist in the harshest corners of the universe. But let's talk about something more controversial: strange structures spotted via satellite imagery. In recent years, online researchers have pointed out geometric shapes and pyramid-like formations emerging as ice melts. Some believe they're just mountains shaped by erosion. Others insist these could be remnants of an ancient civilization, possibly buried for tens of thousands of years. Satellite images have even shown rectangular features beneath the snow, structures that don't seem naturally formed. Could it be evidence of a lost human history? Mainstream science remains skeptical, but curiosity continues to grow. And what about the Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 by over 50 countries? It bans military activity and restricts exploration, raising questions about what governments may be hiding. Some theorists claim there's a reason for the secrecy. They believe ancient artifacts, alien technology, or even underground bases lie buried under the ice. Operation High Jump in 1947 adds fuel to the fire. This massive U.S. military expedition to Antarctica involved over 4,000 men, warships, and aircrafts. Its official purpose was research and training, but the scale and secrecy around it sparked decades of speculation. Admiral Richard Byrd, who led the operation, later claimed to have seen vast unexplored lands beyond the South Pole. Some interpret his words to mean there's a hidden region within or beyond Antarctica that has been kept secret. Add to that the fact that satellite images of Antarctica are often blurred or incomplete. This only fuels suspicion that something is being covered up. Of course, many of these claims are hotly debated. But what's not debatable is that Antarctica continues to surprise us year after year. In 2023, scientists drilling deep into the ice found preserved fossils and ancient plant life. That means parts of Antarctica were once warm, green, and possibly forested. Xantarctica used to be a lush paradise. And as the ice melts, we're uncovering traces of that ancient world. Climate change is accelerating these discoveries. As glaciers retreat, long-hidden valleys, lakes, and organisms are being exposed for the first time in millions of years. But that also comes with risk. Ancient viruses and bacteria trapped in the ice could be released microbes that haven't seen the light of day in millennia. What happens if we unlock something harmful? That's one of the most pressing concerns facing Antarctic researchers today. Still, the science continues. Every expedition, every core sample, every scan reveals more of Antarctica's buried past. And with that comes new questions. What's really under the ice? Who or what has been here before? Is Antarctica just a frozen desert? Or is it Earth's final frontier? Whether it's massive impacts, lost ecosystems, or unexplained energy readings, what lies beneath Antarctica has the power to rewrite history. One thing is clear, the story of this frozen land is far from over. And as we dig deeper literally and figuratively, we may uncover secrets that will change everything. Antarctica isn't just cold. It's alive with history, with science, and with mystery. Stay curious, because the most remote place on Earth might also be the most important.